Hola, Lupita.
Hola, Dui. Mucho cuidado, ¿eh?
See, baby.
Sí, bebé.
The family's chilling out. I don't know where Pants went, but I'm gonna go for a walk. Lupita's watching her shows, her telenovelas, soap operas. And I'm gonna go for a walk, take you guys with me, go down and see if they've fixed the hurricane damage on the Mazatlan. Oh, there's Pants. Before the next hurricane comes. So, let's go. Walk up the casa. And it's almost sunset, so hopefully we'll catch a nice sunset. There's North Beach and the beautiful evening light. Pretty spectacular. Now I'm going to take a picture using my big camera and show you the difference. Here's North Beach. Using a Nikon T900. So while we're walking down here, I wanted to tell you this story about the other day when the neighbor's dog threw a sneaker at me and knocked my phone out of my hands, and it went skidding across the concrete floor, and I was sure it was damaged to the point it needed a new screen. And when I told Lupita about it, she kind of looked at my chair, looked at the sneaker on the floor, and said, "In serio, dude? Are you serious? Did that really happen?" Anyway, I was freaked out about the phone, having just bought one because I got robbed of one, and bought another one because Lupita got one pickpocketed. I didn't feel like spending 1,500 pesos on another repair. Anyway, those of you that watch the channel regularly, you probably know Lupita doesn't speak any English, so we kind of get bogged down. My Spanish is okay, but it's basic. We kind of get bogged down when there's anything technical because I just don't know the words. So she says, no, it's okay, it's okay. It's not la penetela cristal, it's the protección. It's not your glass screen that's broken, it's just the protection. And I said, no, I can see in the light, Lupita, that the screen's broken. You can see the cracks. No, it's the protección. It's your protection. And this is new to me, and it'll probably be new to all of you if you haven't bought a phone recently. They've changed the protection. It used to be they'd seal on like a plastic cover over your phone. Well, now they seal on a cover. And Lupita kept saying mica. Well, I didn't know what mica was. Turns out it's mica. It's like a little glass shield over your glass shield. And that's what I was seeing as cracked. So she took the phone downtown, had the mica replaced, the shield replaced, 50 pesos, and the phone was good as new. Oh God, I was relieved. All very pretty in the setting sun. Well, they got a great big digger brought in to fix a piece of wall that got damaged. So it looks like they will have it fixed before the next hurricane comes. So they got it all roped off here. And the piece torn out. Oh yeah, it's really torn out. They tore the whole end of the patio off here. Lots of families out enjoying the park. Beautiful evening. found a seat here in the park, watching the sun go down. Got my telephone filming me. And this is the camera I was telling you about. It's Nikon P900, and it has this wonderful telephoto lens, 2000 millimeters. So I take a lot of still photos with this, and I'm going to post the ones I take tonight on my Instagram account. You can just Google Dwight Burdett Instagram and you'll find it, and you can follow me over there too. I'm trying to take a few more still photos in the cooler months that are coming. So I'll film the sunset, take a couple snaps. Hope you all enjoy.